already established tension, where there's a force that creates the impact, and this energy that emerges and vibrates, it causes the sound to propagate with an intensity and a much higher frequency, because the impact derived from an already established tension. Yeah, so art is and another fascinating phenomenon with art is I noticed that art tends to, it really enhances, you know, if you know the law of attraction or anything metaphysical, your mind and matter, substance and attribute, we can all create reality. What I've noticed is that when you're doing art, your visualization, the quality of your visualization, when you get into art, you will notice that the quality of your visualization becomes, it develops a level of clarity, and it becomes more potent. Because in the process of creating the art itself, you focus on the art. So you have this visualization. So your mind is keeping you intact with the visualization, and the art itself that you're creating is keeping you in touch